Hello, students, and welcome back. Under Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2 Practicals, in our previous lectures, we had a discussion on the general things which are related to your subject, your syllabus, manual, learning, instructions, etc., which are essential for your smooth working throughout the year. And the objectives behind pharmaceutical chemistry 2 practicals, etc., the types of experiments you people are going to perform, and certain instructions which you must follow for the safety and efficacy of your practicals. Now we are proceeding today with the first experiment, that is introduction to laboratory or laboratory work. Now the title itself suggests that in this experiment you will be introduced to the pharmaceutical chemistry 2 laboratory. Though you have performed your pharmaceutical chemistry 1 practicals in the same laboratory, you are much more aware about the overall layout of the laboratory and the things which are kept there. But still, since it's beginning of a new session, refreshing your old memories will be essential for smooth working throughout the year. Now, when you in your chemistry laboratory, you have seen that there are two doors. These two doors are essential for safety purpose, for easy evacuation in case of emergency, and for ventilation, proper lighting, etc. Your overall chemistry laboratory we can divide into 4 parts. One is chemical storage and preparation room. Just attached to that is your balance room. Then a large area which we call as a working area where platforms are there, and a fuming chamber or fuming cupboard. Now you all know that whatever chemicals you people are requiring for your day-to-day practicals, they are kept in our laboratory chemical store, where record is also maintained which chemicals we are getting issued from the store. And here certain solutions which you are requiring for the practical, they are also prepared in this room only. Beside that, there is a balance room which have ample number of analytical balances which are manufactured by K-Roy company. These analytical balances, they are essential for accurate weighing, particularly in case of quantitative analysis or quantitative practicals, or where weight carries a major importance. Now, in this room, there is one chart lying on the wall, or which is hanged on the wall. This chart contains number of instructions which you people must follow for accurate weighing and smooth working of your balance. Then, with regard to fuming chamber or fuming cupboard, all of you know that the chemicals which are hazardous or which are poisonous or which evolves the suffocating or irritating fumes, or such reactions which evolves these types of fumes, such experiments and chemicals are handled in fume cupboard or fuming chamber. It is a chamber to which a outlet pipe is attached and a exhaust is fitted in that, so that whatever fumes are evolved, they are just with the help of exhaust, they are released in the open air atmosphere. Now, whatever you observe in the laboratory, that you have to note in these tables which are there printed on in your manuals. Now the first table contains list of equipments or instruments that are there in your laboratory. You have to observe those instruments and write the relevant information which is asked in these tables. Around minimum 10 equipments or instruments you people have to observe and write there. Note down your observations. Now here we have taken this photograph. I have taken this photograph from a sample manual of previous year's student, and he has written digital balance, which is also there in our laboratory. And this digital balance, it is made up of Citizen company, and its purpose is for weighing purpose. Then again he has written about physical balance, which is manufactured by Keroy, and it is also used for weighing purpose. Then third point, he has written about digital pH meter, which is manufactured by Konark Instruments, and its purpose is it is used for measuring the pH of solutions. Then fourth instrument or equipment is mini magnetic stirrer, which is used for mixing or dissolution. Then photoelectric colorimeter, which is manufactured by Sistronics, and it is used to check the concentration of the solute in a solution. Then Keeps apparatus. This Keeps apparatus, it is used for the preparation of H2S gas. Then polarimeter, which is manufactured by Rajdhani Instruments, and this polarimeter is used to determine the optical activity or for optical activity studies and determination of optical rotation. Then Abbe's refractometer, it is again manufactured by Rajdhani, and it is used to measure refractive index. Then analytical balance, which is manufactured by Keroy company and used for weighing purpose. Then heating mantle, which is manufactured by Kumar Instruments, and it is used for heating purpose. Whenever you require a long term heating, in such cases, for carrying out any chemical reaction, sometimes you need to heat that flask or round bottom flask for say 4 hours or 5 hours at a particular temperature. Then you will be using these heating mantles. Apart from these there are number of instruments like centrifuge machine, then your incubator, then this for drying purpose we are using ovens, then Carl Fisher titrator, then number of instruments are there in our laboratory. I am failing to recall the names immediately. So you have to select any 10 such instruments or equipments and note down the related observations in this table. Then next table is about you have to write the names of any 5 chemicals or reagents which are there on your working rack or on working table, with their specification, or you can say size, color, capacity, normality, concentration, etc., and they are used in the laboratory and in the industry. Now here he has written about hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Both are concentrated here considered, and these solutions are used, or these substances are used to make the solution acidic, or they are acidifying agents. Then written about methyl orange, which is orange in color. You know that it is an indicator used in acid base titration. Then next one is nitric acid, which is dilute nitric acid, and then again its purpose is to make solutions acidic. Then again phenolphthalein solution, which is of yellow color, and it is again an indicator used in acid base titrations. Now the next table is give two names of scientists that are displayed in your laboratory and the work which is done by these scientists. Now the first written about Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Now Homi Jahangir Bhabha, you all know that is a very famous Indian origin scientist, and he worked on quantum theories and published many papers on quantum theories, and he is responsible for uh, atomic programs in India. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, you might have heard the name, which is there in Tarapur near Mumbai, where various radioactive materials and atomic related work are inventions and work practicals work is performed. He is responsible for establishing such type of laboratories, and related work he has done.